Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Science. Today is April 15th, April 16th. I'm actually recording this on Tuesday night, but we're progressing right along. There's about 6 weeks left of school. Be over before we know it. Hopefully, we come back next year to everything good as normal, good as new. Okay, so first off, good news. Some of you have been waiting very patiently for the retest to be available. Retest is available now. It will be available Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday to retest. To retest, you must come see me in the Google Meet. We need to have a little discussion about what's going on. Um, and then I'll give you access to uh, the retest. So I hope you guys are ready. And like I said, just come and talk to me any of those times. Remember, my open office hours are 9 to 11. You'll be able to see me Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday. I'll have those open to all the students on those 3 days. So let's see what happens from there. All right. So Monday and Tuesday, your assignment was to read an article in STEM Scopes and answer some questions about lions and the elephants in Mozambique Park that were being slaughtered by poachers, and how the lions benefited from the carcasses that were left behind. Because unfortunately, poachers have a tendency just to take what they want. They're taking the tusks, they probably taking the feet, and maybe the ears of the elephant, and that's it. They're leaving the rest of the elephant just to rot off in the sun. So the I'm not going to give you the answers yet because some people still haven't got it turned in. But it wanted to know basically how are the lions benefiting from this, and what other animals might be benefiting from this. So again, this is a good introduction into predator-prey relationships. So most of you were able to get into STEM scopes, I see, and get the assignments completed. I'll get those grades put up here pretty quick. Some of you were having problems with STEM scopes, but I did leave a PDF of the STEM scope assignment in Google Classroom, so you were able to answer your questions on a Google Doc. You know, write out the questions, uh, give me your answers, and submit that in on Google Doc, so you'd get credit for it that way. But everybody should be able to get into STEM scopes. Again, if you forget your username or password, I do have that information for you. It's the first part of your email before the at bentonvillek12.org, and then your lunch number, the last 5 digits of your student ID. All right. So today and tomorrow, uh, A Day, B Day for Wednesday, Thursday, it's going to be kind of an easy assignment for you. Unfortunately, it does require a little bit of writing again, but I'm going to ask you to go to a couple different websites that I'm providing that have live cams on them. These are wildlife cameras set up in all sorts of different locations. And if you know some yourself and you'd rather use those, that's fine, but I need to know the location of the cam. Give me the website address if you're going to use your own. And I want you to see at least 4 different cams and give me a brief synopsis, a brief rundown of what's going on. Look at the different kind of relationships that you see. Tell me what kind of consumers they are. Uh, Basically, just tell me what you're witnessing. You know, watch it for a few minutes. Obviously, if there's nothing going on in the cam that you're looking at, go to a different cam. Don't write me a synopsis saying, I was looking at a bald eagle cam and there were no eagles in the nest and I just looked at the nest this whole time. That's not going to count it. That's not going to cut it, excuse me. Um, so, give me about a paragraph on each cam, and making sure you're notating the different type of relationships, what type of consumers they are, are basically telling me what's going on in those camps. It's the next best thing to being outside. Wish we could be outside, but anyways, it is what it is. All right, guys. Next week we're probably going to be doing something with Earth Day. It is the 50th anniversary of Earth Day next week. So a few of you have made mention of some of the things that are happening on our planet with COVID-19, some positive things that are going on. So let's think about that, and let's have a great day. If I don't see you in the open classroom the next 3 days, I hope you have a great weekend, and I will talk to you later. All right, guys. Have a good one.